Hello my friends, my name is Arthur, and this horrible sound you just heard marked the beginning of my biggest project. An iron knife made from blood. And this box stinks a lot, maybe because I let it sit in the corner of my garage for more than a year, or because it's f***ing blood. There's about 5 kilograms of blood meal inside this box. Blood meal is basically dried bovine blood. It's pretty cheap and for now is my primary source of iron for this project. And the first thing I need to do here is burn out this blood. If I heat this blood to the highest temperature I can, all the organic cow stuff will turn into smoke, leaving only the main nutrients like iron, copper and calcium. Then I can chemically extract all the iron without worrying about the organic cow dissolved in acid. To burn the cow, I'm using grilling charcoal and a stainless steel milk pan, which is a terrible idea, you'll see why in a minute. I soaked the charcoal with 70% ethanol and poured half a kilogram of blood meal into the milk pan. Another beautiful sound to you. And this is where the pain started. As you can see, I'm pretty sensible to smelly things. I lit the fire, closed the pan, and waited.
Agora esperar.
Just a normal charcoal fire won't get hot enough to burn the blood, so I need to blow air into it. To do this, I'm using a vacuum cleaner in the reverse mode. To protect the plastic tube of the vacuum cleaner from the heat, I'm using a piece of iron pipe as an extension. The fire wasn't lighting properly, so I lost my patience and poured a big cup of diesel on the charcoal. And by the way, I really love the smell of diesel. I'll drink it if I could. I was really scared, and I had completely valid reasons to be scared. Take a closer look at this smoke. This is f***ing cow miasma coming out the pan. The cow miasma got stronger and stronger, and I started to feel a little weird. The cheap respirator I was using wasn't helping at all. The miasma was way more powerful than I expected. And something weird happened. The blood was frothing, melting or something. I think this was happening because the water and the other low boiling point stuff were evaporating and the cow salts were melting too. And take a look at this flame, so beautiful. The fire is orange here because of the salts burning with the blood. In this case, the calcium and the sodium salts are producing these colors.
Ui!
I burned myself a little, opened the pan, and got completely disappointed. The blood was taking too long to burn. The problem was that I was really naive. I knew I needed to use a powerful electric furnace, but instead I insisted on the charcoal fire pit. At this rate, if I continue to use this method to burn the blood, it will take about 60 hours of work and more than 50 kilograms of charcoal. This is a no-go for me. For some reason, I got a little hopeful and decided to lit the fire again, just to see if I could make things hotter, and this happened. I got angry, and things did get hotter. Even with the fire burning at a very high temperature, the blood wasn't burning fast enough. The miasma reappeared and the blood cake grew a little more. My mom, who was inside the house, got sick, I got sick too, and I was fed up.
Olha isso, meu.
Well, there's only one way to proceed with this project. I need to build my electric furnace. I can't buy one because I live in a weird country where the cheapest furnace costs a lot. A lot of money. And now you know why I have a weird accent. I live here, in Brazil. And yeah, the miasma depression got me really hard. I live in Brazil, a tropical country, so it's easy to assume everyone here is happy because the climate is nice. We have samba, we have soccer, we have carnival, barbecue, bundas, beaches, but I got depressed, I have depression. And since I don't have any friends to share this with, and maybe you're in the same situation, I will show you my lab, or in my case, depression pit cleanup here. And I swear to God, that pile of paper is from my 3D printer. It's just white glue, it's just some food scraps too, no body fluids in there, I swear to God. And as you can see, there's trash everywhere. But first, I have to deal with the dangerous things, my chemical waste, and properly store my acids. This is iron oxide I made for a test run I did for this project. I have to wash this beaker, but not today. Someday I'll do it. And pro tip: don't store your fuming nitric acid, which is a powerful oxidizer, use it as a rocket propellant in a box full of paper along with 3 cans of paint thinner and other very flammable hydrocarbon solvents. But now, don't worry guys, I'm fine, everything's safe, everything's perfect. My acids are stored properly, on top of my bathroom sink. Everything's fine. These acids are very sensitive chemicals and they don't like being alone. That's why I put my 5 kg box of sodium hydroxide on the bathroom sink too. Look at this, look how happy they are together. This is so cute. Sulfur? I stored my sulfur and potassium nitrate bags right next to my white power collection and started to clean my room. First bag is full, second bag is full. Oh no, there's more bottles. I found my happy bacteria collection. Took a little break, traveled 100 kilometers to see my therapist. I came back and started cleaning my workbench. I really need to find a spatula. How? Where's the fuck's my spatula? For some reason, my very cheap Chinese ESD mat melted itself onto my workbench, and I had to use a spatula to remove it. It wasn't easy, but I got it right. Oh, finally! I just ripped a fucking hole into it. But yeah, I bought a new mat. This time, a blue cheap Chinese ESD mat. Oh, that was easy. A blue one. Whew. Upgrade. Beautiful. I cleared out the remaining trash, cleaned the floor, organized my tools, and lit my server incense to, you know, expunge the cow miasma from my lab. I also designed and 3D printed a modular network rack, gave my switch some candy, and spent almost 2 hours trying to fix my network. 1.5 hours wasted because I forgot the /24 in the address. God damn it. And I'm done. When depression is a bitch, I'm a fucking pimp. What the fuck am I talking? Now it's time to make my high power and over-engineered furnace. So I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye bye. Love you.